4, Santos Rafael Enrico from District 3. Lane 5, Valentino Joshua from District 3. Lane 6, Evangelista Lawrence Jelly from CSTV. Lane 7, Paluso Axel Ezekiel from CSTV.
Sino ba mabigat ng kalaban dyan? Si ano lang, si Joshua lang. Ano?
CJ. Hindi rin yung nahuli si CJ ngayon. Nagbaba na ng timbang ngayon. Gorap! 50 back nga lang pala yan, ano? Gorap!
And 200 meters freestyle for secondary girls. Please proceed to the ready bench now.
Got up!
This is event number 15, 50 meters backflip for the men and boys. Swimming in lane 1, we have the
Got up!
STCB.
Got up!
From STCB. And lane 3, we have Ruka from ISM. Lane 4, we have Santos Rafael Enrico from District 3. Lane 5.